Have you ever found yourself wondering just what all the fuss is about when the world goes on and on about yoga? I mean, across the world now, yoga is the thing to be doing. And if you're not into yoga, it really does make you wonder what all the fuss is about. I mean, what are they going on about? Why is it so special? Let me just tell you what yoga means to me. For me, yoga is where I can get my mind, my body, and my breath to work together. Now, some people call it being mindful, some people call it conscious awareness, others call it being in the present. Whatever you want to call it, just imagine the kind of focus it gives you. Just imagine the kind of productivity it would give you if you could get your mind, your body, and your breath to work together to accomplish a task. And this is what yoga brought to me, to be able to bring all of the elements of my being together, my breath, my body, my mind, bring it all together into synchronization, not just to sit down and meditate, but to actually be practical with it, to be able to go out and focus on my task, to do whatever I have to do in life, but with all the productivity of my entire being working together towards it. Now, it didn't come easily and it didn't come overnight, and I'm not going to lie to you and say that you can do one session and you will be this amazingly focused, concentrated person. It won't happen quite like that, but if you stick with it, you'll actually find that this does make you the best version of yourself that you could ever hope to be. So I think it's worth giving it a try, don't you?